This is Professor L.V. Gaikwad's English Literature Wave. I am Professor L.V. Gaikwad is discussing today on the topic lecture number 359. The topic is back formation in morphology. Before going to the topic, I will request you to watch, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. The second request is to see all the notes which I have put in the description box. Now we will go to see the topic in detail. The back formation is a process of word formation with which a new word is created from the word available by removing a suffix. For example, edit from editor. Here the back, that is the previous word, is editor. We have removed the suffix or from it and the shortened word edit is before us. Means we have made here the edit from the editor and we have omitted or we have cut the or suffix from the particular word. So edit is a new word through the back formation process. Thus, back formatted word is identified as a shortened or clipped word. For example, edit has been made from editor, that is a long word, and edit is a small word. James Murray, the Scottish lexicographer and primary editor of the Oxford English Dictionary from 1879 to 1915, has coined, that is introduced, this word. Back formation is a process like affixation. For example, a singular noun P from an older plural P's, frosty from frost. Some of the back formations are colloquial while others are fully accepted in English. For example, back formed verbs or nouns and ordinary verb nouns. Means here we are discussing the back formed verb. Noun means the older forms which have the back reference, and from them the ordinary verb or noun we are discussing. The first is administrate, that is administer. Means now the administer and it was before administrate. Interpret and interpret means it was interpreted and now it has been interpreted. Oriented and now it is orient. Registrate, now it is register. Remediate, now it is remedy. Revolute, it is now revolt. Solicitate, now it is solicit. Burglar, now it is burgled. Diagnosis is the noun, burglar is also the noun, and diagnose is the verb now. Means at first they were the back formed verbs or nouns, and now from them we have got the ordinary verb or the nouns. So again I will say that burglar is the noun and the new word, that is the ordinary word, is burgle, that is the verb, and diagnosis is the noun and the verb has been created and that is the diagnose. Television is the back formed noun and now televoice is the verb, that is ordinary verb. Then donation is the noun and now the common is, or I will say ordinary, verb is donate. Then relation is the back formed word noun and now the verb is relate. And enthusiasm is the back formed word as a noun and now from it there is the verb enthuse, that is the verb. In linguistics, many back formations have no legal existence, hence some have been thrown out and some are problematic or questionable, but some have been respectfully accepted also. Being a subtype of clipping, back formation creates the innovative words. Affixation adds prefixes, infixes, and suffixes. For example, un is the prefix and just is the base. So, unjust. Do plus ing, do is the base and ing is the suffix. Man and main, so man and main, there is the infix, and a, that is the infix, means man, there is a, and main, there is a. Back formation is totally opposite of affixation. It removes an affix, for example, sulk from sulky. So here today we have finished this topic. Again we will be in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.